Hello everybody, tonight we will be replacing the front steering stabilizer. I have a Rancho on there now, upgrading to a Bilstein, mostly because the Rancho is blown out and leaked all of its oil everywhere. So tools I'll be using tonight, I've got the torque wrench for torquing everything to proper specification, breaker bar for breaking the existing bolts, half-inch drive ratchet so that I can put these on and off. And then we're using a 3/4 inch socket for the new one, a 15 and a 18 to remove the old one. For safety, we've got our safety goggles and our gloves. It's still bright enough outside that I don't think I'll need a work light. And I've also got a creeper that I'm going to use to get onto the truck, which is of course off camera. So all right, let's head onto the truck, get going. Here we are under the truck. I'm going to go and get started on removing the existing steering stabilizer. So first things first, we'll need our 15 mil socket. Stick that on my breaker and see if I can get this guy to come loose for me. Well, that was easier than I thought. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I know I'm not that strong, so switch to our ratchet. And there it goes. And I didn't hit the camera, so that's even better. Alrighty, so now that this is loose, I'm just going to kind of lightly shove it out of the way here. There's no danger of it falling and hitting me or anything like that, so I'm not really worried about that. Okay, we are on the other side. I'm going to get my 17 mil socket and stick it on this guy and see what we can do. I'm hoping I don't need to go get a wrench for the other end. Okay, I don't. Cool. Awesome. Alrighty, that broke loose pretty easy. Also, which is a good thing, switch it back over to my driver. So that's free. Well, not free, but the bolt's loose. So now I need to separate this. I don't have a proper pickle fork or puller, so what I did do is I brought a multi-directional impact device, aka a hammer, that should be able to assist me here. I think I'm gonna give it a couple taps, and it is moving, so that's good. Break a little rust. We're not there yet, but we're getting there. You probably can't tell from the video, but it is moving. So I'm gonna keep working on that, and I'll be back after I get it loose. Okay, so I've got my new stabilizer here. As you can see, I've got it. What I've done is I've just lightly put it into this end here. I've put the nut and bolt on it just to hold it while I'm working under the vehicle. And then you'll see I've left the strap on here as well. And the reason I did that is so that I don't have to fight the stabilizer's pushing action as I put in this next bolt. So let's move over here to the other bolt. And there you go. Get a better view. Alrighty, so I'm going to use the bolt that I removed. This stays as part of the project. You don't replace this. Take this bolt. I'm going to stick it through the appropriate hole here on the stabilizer, and then I'm going to line it up with the hole here. I'm going to have to decompress the stabilizer slightly to do that. I'm going to line it up and just hand thread it in. I don't want to use tools at this point because I don't want to cross thread it. That's not what you want to do. Alright, now I'm going to leave that set just like that for now, and then I'm going to come back and torque it once I get the other side fully set. Alright, we're back on the other side. Now on this side we're going to use our 3/4 because that is the size of the nut and bolt that came with the stabilizer. So I'll just stick those on there like so. Getting threaded properly. And tighten away. Alrighty, that's pretty snug. Next step is to take our torque wrench and torque it to the proper torque specifications. Okay, so we're gonna set to 26 foot-pounds for the lower and 65 foot-pounds for the upper. In case you're wondering, the lower is the driver's side. Alright, foot-pounds. Setting the wrench now to 20 and 6. And let's get it. There we go. Alrighty, now we'll move the other side, do the lowers. Or sorry, the upper at 65. Resetting the torque wrench to 65 foot-pounds. And there we go. 65 foot-pounds. Here we come. That's it. Alrighty. And there you have it, folks. There you have it. Brand new Bilstein steering stabilizer. And of course, the plastic strap that I will remove momentarily. And that was replacing the old Rancho steering stabilizer, which, as you can see, does have a healthy amount of oil on it from being blown out. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.